In this video, I'm going to show you how you can swap crypto in Trust Wallet. So as you can see right now, I've got some BNB. We're going to go ahead and swap this into Solana. So you can do that by opening Trust Wallet, then go to swap, and then choose the cryptocurrency you want to swap from. So you can search here, but I've just selected BNB, and I've also chosen here Solana as well. So you can go ahead and click and select any of these or search. I've chosen Solana. Now I'm going to go ahead and copy the amount of BNB I want to transfer. So I have 0.01824 available. So we're just going to convert some of it here. I'll just convert 0.01, which is about $10. As you can see, we're going to receive 0.0583 Solana. Here are any fees that will be associated with it. You can then go ahead and click on swap. This will then open. You can then go ahead and confirm this, pay with gas fee. So we're going to pay 0.02 cent in fees. Click confirm. And there you go. That's going to open the smart contract. And in a second, I will have Solana. So now you can see we have BNB and we also have the Solana here. So that is how you can do it. I hope that video helped you out.